Starting or expanding your business or navigating a real estate deal can feel like walking a tightrope, and one wrong step can cost you everything. That's where Stephen Paul and Bill Jennings, your trusted business and real estate attorneys, come in. So, whether you're forming a new company, negotiating deals, or handling any type of complex transaction, Stephen and Bill provide clear, experienced legal guidance every step of the way. Don't let legal hurdles derail your vision. Call Bill or Stephen today at 801 576 1400 for business law and real estate law. Call 801 576 1400 and move forward today.